Hello, today we are going to install one of this headrest DVD player in a car, and they are universal, so can be installed in any car. The size I got is 9-inch here, and so I'll show you guys what we got in this box. So it comes with user manual, a DVD player with games for kids, complete packaging. So some cables, and I'll show you in a while how we're going to install this. That's the remote. And these are the fitting blocks, so they are in many sizes, which can be used in almost in any car. So depends on the thickness of the post, so we can use according to that post thickness. And the other thing, it comes with two wiring harnesses. One is just plug and play straight away. The second one, this one comes with the hard wiring option, and if you have to connect it to through a wire to your main head unit or to another DVD headrest player, so you have to use this one. Or otherwise, if you just want to play as a single unit, you can use this one as well, and it's quite easy to use. But today we are going to use this harness, and I'll show you how we can install that and how easy it is. Won't take more than 1 hour, I guess. So that's the car we selected today, where we're going to install our headrest DVD player. And so if you haven't seen it before, from back side it'll look like this. Now we're just going to remove that to fit that in. So you have to unscrew this. If it's really tight, just use a screwdriver, but in that case it's not really tight here. So we'll just take that screw off. It's a good idea to take it completely off. Keep it safe somewhere. Now take that plate off. So to install headrest DVD player, there are many options. So some comes built-in, like pillow type, they also known as pillow type headrest DVD players, and you can install them as well. Some comes with some stripes, and you have to use the stripes to hold that DVD player on here, but that doesn't look quite good and nice. So why I really like this design, I'll show you in a while. You really don't need to remove your headrest from here, and they'll be still operational. If someone sitting at front going to a long drive, they're still able to adjust them according to their needs or their neck height. So, and the rear one, they also can adjust the angle of this headrest DVD wherever they like to feel. They can get a really good angle to watch. So how easy it is to install this. Just take this off from one side. Okay, just a second. Just you have to pull it off. I think I'll need both hands to pull it off. So once they are off, take them off. Take that out, those blocks here, and just we're going to put these on our post here. Like that. See? And I have to put that back in. Like that. So to do the same thing, the second one. Excuse the birds noise, that's their breeding season and really angry these days. So yeah, just slide that back, this block here. Like that. Adjust it in center. How easy it is. And now the second step is, or we can do it before, we're gonna slide our wire from here. So we'll use a guiding wire here, and I'll show you what type of guiding wire you can use or to run our wire. So this is the wire as a guide we'll use to run it through, and once we'll slide it, it's gonna be a bit hard to slide that in through here, and then we'll try to grab it underneath from here. So you can take this part out, and so there's gonna be enough space behind this cover here to grab that wire. I'll show you in a while. So that's how we use our guide wire. In some cars, if you have a plastic panel behind like this one, and see it's really tight here, so it's really hard to pass your wire through this area from here. So in my case, this Nissan Altima, you have to pull it off from here first, and then don't try to pull it off from this side first here, because see these connectors here, they are holding it up here. And similar, we got those, there is a connector up there which is holding from sideways, so you don't want to take it off completely. We just need some access here to pass that wire from here, and then it's gonna come out from this side here. See, so almost we done the wiring, the hard one. Now take some electric tape, make a joint between your guide wire and headrest wire like this, and then you can start pulling it off from wherever it is easy. already passed our wire in, so you want to leave some of wire here to, you know, slide it up and down easily. So there should be some wire, extra long wire here, and we got it in under here. So just almost done with this seat part here. And now we can put that all that back in, and we can connect our second wire, this second connector here, which got all the RCA connectors and stuff. So as I don't have any supply here or anything, so I'm going to run it all the way into my head unit. So here we go with our final result. I've inserted an audio disc here because couldn't find any video disc. So yep, it's working as it's supposed to be. I haven't connected to my main head unit there. I just gave it supply and that's it. So still have option if you want to go to AV2. So yeah, these options here for USB, AV in, you can connect your phone, SD card, Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe and like my channel. Thank you.